Some cars are already worth millions, but Mansory takes them to a whole new level. Imagine supercars and luxury sedans transformed with carbon fiber, handcrafted interiors, and unbelievable power. These are some of the rarest machines ever built, and their prices are just as shocking. Let's count down the top 5 most expensive Mansory cars in 2026. Number 5. Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom. Starting our list is the breathtaking Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom, a luxury car that blends elegance with a bold new personality. Mansory completely redesigns the famous Phantom by adding custom carbon fiber body parts, a more aggressive front bumper, larger air intakes, and stylish black details that replace most of the original chrome. Sitting on massive 24-inch forged wheels, this luxury sedan has an even stronger road presence than before. Under the hood, the powerful twin-turbo V12 engine produces around 610 horsepower, allowing this large limousine to reach 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. Inside, everything is handcrafted with premium leather, real carbon fiber, polished wood, diamond stitching, and a stunning starlight roof. Some versions even include a built-in champagne cooler. With prices ranging from around $1 million to $1.2 million, this Mansory Phantom is made for those who want luxury without limits. Number 4. Mansory Carbonado Aventador EVO. This rare masterpiece is famous because nearly every exterior panel is replaced with forged carbon fiber, giving it an aggressive look unlike any standard Aventador. The body is wider, the air vents are larger, and the giant rear wing improves both style and performance. Mansory also upgrades the suspension and lightweight wheels for better handling at high speeds. Power comes from a heavily modified 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing an incredible 1,250 horsepower. That allows this machine to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.6 seconds, while reaching a top speed of around 236 miles per hour. Inside, Alcantara, carbon fiber, diamond stitching, and custom racing seats complete the futuristic cabin. With an estimated value between $1 million and $1.5 million, this one-of-a-kind Lamborghini is a true collector's dream. Number 3. Mansory Ferrari SF90 Spider. Taking third place is the incredible Mansory Ferrari SF90 Spider, also known as the F9XX. Mansory transforms Ferrari's advanced hybrid supercar into an even more extreme machine by fitting forged carbon fiber body panels, a dramatic rear wing, redesigned side skirts, and an aggressive front splitter. Every change is made to improve both appearance and aerodynamics. The hybrid powertrain receives major performance upgrades, producing around 1,100 horsepower and an amazing 980 Newton-meters of torque. As a result, the SF90 Spider can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, while reaching speeds of around 220 miles per hour. The cabin features premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, racing-inspired seats, and a specially designed steering wheel. With prices reaching between $2 million and $2.5 million, this exclusive Ferrari proves that luxury and extreme performance can exist together. Number 2. Mansory Ford GT. Runner-up on our list is the ultra-rare Mansory Ford GT, better known as the Mansory Ford GT. Only a handful of these amazing cars have ever been produced, making them one of the most exclusive Mansory creations in the world. The body is completely redesigned with lightweight forged carbon fiber, a much wider stance, custom aerodynamic parts, and an enormous rear wing that gives the car an unmistakable appearance. Mansory also upgrades the famous twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine to produce around 710 horsepower, with even stronger acceleration. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.9 seconds, while reaching a top speed close to 220 miles per hour. Inside, premium Alcantara, leather, blue stitching, carbon fiber trim, and custom sports seats create a modern racing-inspired interior. Worth between $2 million and $2.5 million, this rare American supercar is both a collector's item and a high-performance masterpiece. Number 1. Mansory Bugatti Veyron. Claiming the top spot is the legendary Mansory Bugatti Veyron, one of the most expensive and exclusive Mansory builds ever created. Starting with one of the world's greatest hypercars, Mansory completely transforms it using beautiful blue forged carbon fiber, redesigned aerodynamic parts. At its heart is Bugatti's famous quad-turbocharged W16 engine. This incredible machine accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.5 seconds and can exceed 250 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on on the planet. Inside, passengers are surrounded by premium leather, diamond stitching, carbon fiber trim, embroidered seats, and handcrafted luxury from front to back. With an estimated value of around $3.5 million, the Mansory Bugatti Veyron stands as the ultimate symbol of performance, rarity, and automotive craftsmanship. Mansory has built a reputation for transforming already extraordinary cars into exclusive masterpieces, bold styling, and incredible performance. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like this video so you never miss our next luxury car countdown.